Another question I often ask people, using the great philosopher B. Spears as the inspiration, is, think about something you've done or said recently that in retrospect now that you regret. And if you could rewind time, you would do something different. And if you think about that event, who paid the price for that? And what was the cost for that? And if you could do it again, what would you have done differently? Everybody will have something, right? Everybody will have something. And what we focus on is then what was happening inside you that led to that moment, right? And my view around mindful leadership starts with result. And what is the result you keep generating? And is that a result you want?